Hey, just come this way, I've got something to show you. So hi, how are you? You know, today I was looking around on Facebook. I have a Facebook account, of course. Got nearly 5,000 people or friends on Facebook. It's quite a big account, I've had it many years. I've actually got a business page as well, a fan page. And I saw a post about the percentages of incomes in America and basically around the world. It's pretty much the same. If you look below or just here, you'll see that 60% of Americans are below the poverty line, which is amazing. So that made me wonder, well, you know, if you do get into a business, your chances are of increasing your income monthly are very, very good, because people are looking to make an alternative income from home, be it with direct selling or an MLM or whatever. Hi there, good morning. It's about 8 AM in Thailand here, 7:30, 8 AM. I usually get up about 6 AM, sometimes a bit earlier. I was looking through my PayPal today and I thought, I wonder how sort of the second half of September looked. So I had a quick look, last 2 weeks. I've had 9 payments of $250 or 8 or something like that. In fact, if you just wait a moment, this is the first one. Wow, this is the second one. Awesome, this is the third one. Mega, this is the fourth one. Terrific, this is the fifth one. Oh my god, this is the sixth one. Seventh one. I'm getting lost, so many. Wow, this is the eighth one. So that's about 8 payments in the last 10 days, 12 days. So wow, you really need to look at this business. It's amazing. I'm actually revamping all my websites as well, the funnel and everything that you get included. So take a look and I look forward to talking to you soon. Alright,
Hello everyone, my name is Josh Joyner. Some of you may or may have not heard of me. I've been marketing online since 2013 and I've made a decent income doing it. I've had my share of struggles online, so I do know how frustrating it could be trying to earn a consistent income online. I created a system that was designed to do one thing and one thing only. That's generate cash into your bank account.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Dan Frohlke and I want to give a huge shout out to Joshua Joyner, the creator of 250 Payday. I've been in 250 Payday system since about January 8th, and I consistently make $250 instant cash commissions right to my merchant account, which you're looking at right now. And you know, I consider this program like my workhorse program, and why I call it that is because I can always rely on it. It's very consistent. And up to right now, I've made over $28,000 with this simple automated system. I want to show you really quick because I know a lot of people love to see the proof, and I want to show it to you really quick here. Want to show you that this is indeed my account. First of all, I'm inside my merchant account, my merchant profile right here, as you can see, D. Frohlke Marketing. Let's do a little search here. Let's see, on business day, let's go back a few months so we get a big picture here. Right here, and we're going to do a search. Now, I'm going to blur out a lot of things, a lot of transaction numbers and such. So all I want you to do is look at the right hand side, and you will see $250 to $1,000 per day with this simple automated system, 250 Payday. All right, and as you can see, this system works like a charm. Absolutely love these $250 payments. So again, huge shout out to Joshua Joyner. He's the man, and this is the system. Okay, have a good day. See you later. Thanks.
As I started having success online, I wanted to create something that was so simple a newbie can do it. You see, a lot of people don't like or know how to sell. They don't have a huge marketing list or family and friends they can share business information with. A lot of people don't know how to get the most important thing, which is traffic. Most people just have no clue on how to generate online income, period, until now.
Hey guys, this is Chris Fondy, and I just want to give a quick video testimonial and shout out to Josh Joyner for an awesome job with the 250 Payday system. If you guys are looking for a way to make extra money and learn some awesome internet marketing and get access to internet marketing training tools, this is the system for you. I'd highly recommend you guys jump in and take action on this. The instant payments are great, and you get access to, in my opinion, some of the best internet marketing training tools that money can buy. Thanks again, Josh. Great job on an awesome system. Thank you.
Hey there, my friend. This is your girl, Steph Perez, and I just wanted to shoot a quick update video for you and let you know what's going on inside of the 250 Payday system for me. I have been generating between 1 to 2 sales a day inside of the system. So if you just do the math, $250 per sale, multiply that times 1 to 2 sales a day, whether that's daily, whether that's weekly, or whether that's monthly, that's a nice chunk of change. But
hey there, this is Mary Beth from Ohio, and I just want to give a great big shout out to Josh Joyner with 250 Pays. I got started with this amazing business the very beginning of this year in early January, and in my first 30 days I was able to generate a little over $10,000. To date, I've gone on to successfully earn right around $25,000 with this amazing system that Josh created. I absolutely love this system. I know that you will too. If you're looking at this, you definitely need to get started right away. Not only is this an amazing system for earning potential, but the products are incredible. They've allowed me to have great success with this program, as well as successfully build my other business opportunities this year, and for that I am just so thankful. So thank you so much, Josh, for creating this system and for everything that you do.
Rob Frazier here, talking about 250 Payday. 250 Payday is one of those programs if you need quick money today. I've used 250 Payday. The first month I've generated $10,000, $5,000 of which I actually used to put as a down payment on this very vehicle that I'm driving. Long story short, I was out of vehicle for a long time, got repoed. I've came across 250 Payday, and all of these programs I've been online, some programs pay you, but you have to wait 2-3 weeks to get the cash, whereas 250 Payday gives you instant cash that you can immediately use in your life, and that's what attracted me to this program, and that's why I will still use 250 Payday. Also, use the products within the program as well. They will help you in whatever business you're in, especially promoting 250 Payday.
Everyone in our program uses our automated system, which makes sales for them on autopilot. We all know that people want and need money now. So if the system is getting sales for you today, you get paid today. So when you start today, your inviter gets paid 100%, and all the payment processors are accepted. In 250 Payday, we believe in one time out of pocket, forever in profit. You will get access to some of the best training courses on the web today. You will have access to all digital downloads, so there is no stocking and shipping needed.
Hey, it's Kelly Teller out here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I am truly excited to bring you a program called 250 Payday. That's right. People sending me messages left and right, the email, the phone, the texts, the chat boxes. I mean, it's happening. You let people know about a product that they can promote and get $250 within 2 minutes of them joining right straight to your PayPal. That speaks volume. And a product that is chock loaded of information. You know, I tell you, there's lots of things that I'm learning from this back office system, the members area that I paid $250 for. And you know what? I was so thrilled to offer it to other people. I haven't even gone through all of it, but I tell you, each day I'm going to learn something new with it. But the point is, one sale, I've broken even. 2 sales, I've got 100% commission. And then there's no monthly fees ever with this.
Products are delivered the moment a new member makes their one-time payment. No website building or hosting fees. You see, once you pay your membership, all of that's done for you and ready to go. It's plug in and profit. The system does all the selling and telling for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once again, if you can copy and paste, you can profit. Can you imagine waking up to multiple $250 payments daily? Use 250 Payday to earn extra cash you need for traffic in your main business, fund residual programs, higher ticket programs, or replace your current income altogether.
Hey, how's it going? This is Ed Haith, Beach Laptop Equals Office. 250 Payday is an awesome program. Not only is a $250 payday a sizable payday, but at the same time you're also selling a quality product, something that people use. And if you're in a big ticket program, it's the perfect way to raise money to surplus your marketing for other programs or 250 Payday. Josh is a very hands-on leader, very accessible as well. So I recommend it to anybody. I use it to fund my business, my top tier businesses. It's a perfect way to actually not only find new business partners, but also a good way to find people to help you in your top tier business as well. It's a great product. Josh is a very hands-on type of a leader, and I recommend it. Join 250 Payday today. Take care.
Steve DeMonte here with the 250 Payday. Now, thanks to Josh Joyner, the 250 Payday has been an absolute complete game changer for me. And once Josh introduced me to it, I made over $8,000 within a couple of months. It's easily the best thing that I've ever done. The training product's absolutely fantastic. It's absolutely no-brainer. The $250 payments go into a payment processor of your choice, and it's absolutely fantastic program. But a real big thank you to Josh Joyner. The 250 Payday, it's still rocking, it's still paying. Get involved, really, seriously get involved in this. The tools as well in the back office are fantastic, really are fantastic tools back office, where you can learn how to make money from other people.
Ontario Hawkins here, and I want to give a quick shout out to Joshua Joyner and the 250 Payday program. I've been able to make a total of $25,000 and more since I started in January, and it's going up every single day. I'm very excited about what we have here at 250 Payday, and just to show you that this works, I'm inside of my authorized.net account. Here's my name, and I want to show you some of the payments I've been able to receive just in this account alone this year already. Here's the month of May right here, and as you can see, we have successful payments. Okay, I'm going to go down and go to the next page and show you one more page of payments that I've been able to receive just this year alone. There's more coming in all the time. So if you're not in yet, get yourself positioned in this program. It is phenomenal. One time $250, and you have the potential to make $250 a day or more with the right people, with the right training, and I believe you will be happy with your decision. Take care. God bless.
Okay, you see the testimonials. You see people making money in 250 Payday. So you want to know, how does it work? How do you get paid with it, with or without recruiting? You get access to a full digital library. You will get full training courses on CPA marketing and mastery. CPA stands for cost per action. CPA is an online advertising pricing model where the advertiser pays for each specified action. For example, an impression, click, form submit. contact request, newsletter, sign up, registration, etc. Although CPA companies are free to join, you will need to know how to get approved for these marketing companies. In 250 Payday, you will learn how to get approved for these companies and drive the traffic that they want and need. You will learn which companies are the best to start with and earn big, such as Max Bounty, Peerfly, ClickBank, and more. These companies can pay monthly, bi-weekly, or even weekly. There are tons of CPA companies out there. You will learn how to effectively market on social media sites such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. You will get social media mastery courses. You will have full courses on list building, which is one of the ways to make money on demand. SEO courses with tools, plugins, and software. Updates and new products frequently. This is lifetime access still at the one-time small price of $250. Full training and tools to help you succeed in this business. Members are sharing their personal links that's generated upon registration and payment on social sites with free and paid traffic. Once again, if you can copy and paste, you can make money. So there you have it. The same way you found your way to this site is the same way we teach you inside to have people visiting your site to pay you $250. So what are you waiting for? Register below or get back to the person that shared this link with you and become one of the tons of 250 Payday members and testimonials across the globe. Your $250 payments awaits. Get started today, earn today, and I will see you on the inside.